I've been a huge fan of the HyperX Cloud Alphas for several years now, so much so that I went out and bought my second pair. They're extremely comfortable and they sound great. Today we're just going to unbox them and I'll give you a quick review. These headphones currently cost about $70 on Amazon, and they're compatible with most devices, at least the important ones: PC, PS4, and Xbox One. The packaging and branding overall is absolutely stunning. Immediately after opening the box, you'll find a warranty card, a quick start guide, and a cloth carrying bag. Under all of that are the headphones themselves. The cable comes plugged in, but don't let that fool you. It can be easily removed for storage purposes. But here's a quick look at the ear cups, which are described as premium memory foam on Amazon. And I do have to admit, they're extremely comfortable. They also fit over my entire ear, and I have pretty big ears. Next, you'll find the detachable microphone, and I love this. When I'm not gaming, I can take this off and it's not in the way. I also eat at my desk quite a bit, and if I'm wearing the headphones, I don't have to worry about food getting in the foam. For cables, you have a 3.5mm stereo jack that has inline controls, so you can adjust the volume on the fly or mute your microphone as needed. This cable is about 4.25 feet long, but does include a separate extension cable, allowing it to get up to a total length of 6.5 feet. The extension cable is also a splitter, and you can plug directly into both mic and headset ports. Here's some plastic peeling ASMR for you. On the bottom here is where both the cable and microphone get plugged in. And if you're curious, this is on the left side of the headphones. The headphones have an aluminum frame and both sides can be adjusted up and down. So if you have a big head like me, you're in luck. The headband has beautiful red stitching all the way across, concave branding on the top, and the underside is made from a thick memory foam, similar to the earmuffs. And here's an overview of everything that's included in the box. Here's that big head I was talking about earlier. Notice the side of the headphones are extended upwards to accommodate my head. The ear cups stick out about an average amount, and they also cover my entire ears. I've worn these for upwards of 8 hours while gaming, and I really only ever feel a slight discomfort by the end. But that's it for my review of the HyperX Cloud Alphas. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.